Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the basics are ready. Check iOS, free storage, and grant camera plus microphone permissions. Once done, open the camera app directly or swipe from the lock screen to get there fast. Make sure video mode is selected at the bottom. This activates the recorder interface. You should see the red record button and resolution/frame rate indicators. If you need quick take photos, keep photo mode and hold the shutter, but for full video, switch to video before you press record. Next, configure the recording quality and framing so you capture usable footage. You can tap the resolution or FPS label to pick 4K or 1080p and choose 24, 30, or 60 FPS depending on motion and file size. Switch between available lenses 0, 5x, 1x, 2x for framing and enable the grid for composition. Tap the subject to focus, drag the exposure slider to adjust brightness, then hold and lock AE/AM. When you're ready, press the red record button to start. Press again to stop. The clip saves automatically to photos. Once saved, you can trim, stabilize, and color correct inside photos or export to a video editor, then share via messages, mail, or AirDrop. If the recorder won't work, make sure you have storage, check camera and microphone permissions, and restart the iPhone. If issues persist, update iOS. That often resolves camera bugs and compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.